Hey everyone, welcome back to our eBay Flips channel. So for today's eBay's leads, we got a total of 17 leads, 15 coming from eBay OA and then 2 coming from eBay RA. So let's check some of the samples that we got here. Starting off with Fenwick, we got this Jellicat deals that you could buy for 13 pounds and sell it for 30 to 37, more than double its price. Another one is this Jellicat Bashful Bunny that you could buy for 16 pounds and sell it for 42. 0.60 pounds. And lastly, this patisserie meal fuel that you could buy for 15 pounds and sell it for 39.80 pounds. So there you go, guys. More than double its prices. So check out the rest of the items that we got for you. 2 coming again from eBay RA and then 15 coming from our eBay OA. So if you're interested to earn free extra money from us, we got you these channels, review giveaways, affiliate income, bounty bonus, and job opportunities. So if you're interested, feel free to check these channels out. And we got a bot operated channel for you guys, which you could use to monitor price drop from these websites. The price drop monitoring that you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites, starting from 30% price drop up to 80 or 90% price drop. So check out the rest of the items that we got for you today. There you go. And another one is the Amazon to eBay flipping channel, wherein you could see all the latest deals from Amazon that you could buy to your eBay account. So check them out as well. And lastly, your general community that you could use to communicate, chat, and talk with one another. So don't hesitate to use it. And of course, share achievements with. That would be all for recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.